Hooty hoo, all my stock market gamblers. Welcome, welcome. I'm Tall Mike. Today is Tuesday. We got November 24th. We got one more trading day tomorrow before Thanksgiving, but I think we're going to hit a couple of new records. There's going to be a new record in the Dow Jones Industrials. I think we're finally going to get through that 30,000 level. There's going to be a new record set in Bitcoin. We're going to get back above 20,000. Now, why are these new records coming at this time right now? Well, they're both for the same reason. Money, money, money. We got Janet Yellen. She's going to print the money. It was announced yesterday that Janet Yellen's going to be the new Fed chairman. Isn't that great? Oh yeah, we're going to get free money. Free money's coming. There's going to be printing. So we got two new records coming. The Dow Jones opened up about 400 points up today. That was a big up move. NASDAQ is not following that move up as high. Anyways, the QQQs, they were actually down at one time this morning. I had a short position on yesterday on the Qs. I am out of those. We're going higher. There's money going to be printed. We're going to hit new records. All right, let's take a look here. Let's take a look at Bitcoin first. Let's start with Bitcoin. All right, so this is the GBC Trust. This is what I trade, and I trade in and out of this frequently. And it has just gone parabolic. It's going straight up. All right, so you could have bought this down here at the 200-day moving average, right around $10, and we're at $24 today. Okay, and that's within 2 months' time. 2 months' time. So Bitcoin has just taken off. A lot of people never thought they'd see 20,000 Bitcoin again. Actually, I think it's going to hit 30,000. I do. Somewhere between 24 and 30,000. I know that's a big range, but up here you can have some pretty big moves. You can go from up $4,000 in one day, down 4,000. This can drop 50% in one day. One day. Bitcoin is volatile, especially at these levels. I think the last time we were at 20,000, it was there for like a day or two before it just, kept dropping down, dropped all the way down to 3,000. 20,000 down to 3,000. That's almost a 90% drop. 90%. Bitcoin is volatile. Now this, I do think we're going to get up, 24, 26, even 30,000 on it. But Bitcoin hasn't been around that long. I want to caution everybody. Bitcoin can also go to zero. A lot of smart people think it's going to zero. Now, there's also a lot of smart people that think this is going to replace all currencies in the world and it's going to become $1 million per Bitcoin, per one Bitcoin. Maybe they're both right. Maybe we hit the million before we go to zero. Actually, I think $1 million's far-fetched. I think zero's far-fetched. But I do think we're going to hit that 24, 26,000. Maybe we get as high as 30,000. We're going up, though. We're going up because nobody wants to be in money right now. Real money is going down. It's going down. They're printing that money. They're going to continue to print that money. But Bitcoin is going to hit a new record. Might do it today, might do it tomorrow, but it's going to hit a new record. It's going to get through 20,000. Maybe it pulls back first, maybe 17,000. Then it pushes higher. We're not sure, but we're going to see a new record. That part I'm pretty sure about. Anyways, GBTC taking off here. Would I be playing GBTC right now? No, I would be cautious. This isn't what I like to buy. I'm a gambler, but this is crazy. It's out there. I'll wait for a better opportunity. At some point, it'll get down here to the 50-day again. Some point. I don't know. Maybe 1 month from now, maybe 2 months from now, but maybe 6 months from now. But eventually, it always reverts back to the mean, which is the 50-day moving average. You can see it crosses over here, crosses over here, crosses. Okay, yeah, it's going high right now, going parabolic. But you know what's even going quicker right now? Is Ethereum. When Bitcoin moves, it pulls the other cryptocurrencies up higher with it. Now look at just in 3 days, 4 days. Okay, I mean, look at the move on it. ETHE. Ethereum, this is also a grayscale trust here, but this was trading down here, at $40, and now we're up here at, 110. Okay, that's a good move. That's a triple, and it tripled in less than 2 months. Okay, so it went from $40 to, $50 to 110 in less than a month. So it doubled in less than a month, and in the last, three trading days, heck, we're up. That's called 30% in 3 days. 10% a day. A day. These are hot right now. My goodness, they're hot. Be cautious here. Be cautious. I'm telling you. Be cautious. Yes, we're at the gambling table. We're winning. Be cautious at this 110 level. When you got the 50-day this far below the 200-day, you're going to get a retracement back to at least the 200-day, which would be 20% right there, 110 down to 90. You're going to get that retracement. Maybe that's a good entry point. Not really sure. But anyways, Ethereum is just taking off. Bitcoin just taking off. But the one that really is going to go crazy is just the Dow Jones. The DIA is a chart here of the Dow Jones. Okay, so we've been trying to get through the 30,000 level. Right here, we ran up to it. We went boom, 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 kind of pulled back. Ran up again, boom, 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 pulled back. We're running up a third time. I think we're going to get through this time. I think we're going to get through probably tomorrow would be my guess. Right before Thanksgiving. It's a good Thanksgiving gift. But I do want to talk a little bit about Janet Yellen and how much money she's going to print. She is going to print an ungodly amount of money. There's no fiscal responsibility. No. We're going to print until we cannot print, until it collapses, and it will collapse. It will collapse. I mean, the economy's already collapsing. Have you noticed the economy recently? It's not looking really good. I mean, the real economy, the Dow Jones is looking great. We're going to get the record high right before Thanksgiving so everyone can have a good Thanksgiving. Well, I got news for you in the real world. People can't afford to go to the grocery store. They can't afford to buy the turkey. They can't afford things because they're out of work. 30 million people. I know the government says it's less than that. What, they probably got us close to full employment right now, which is crazy, right? Right? When's the government just going to tell us the truth? Go look at 30, 40 million people out of work. Okay, we got people that 30 million people aren't paying their rent. Okay, we got people that aren't paying their mortgages. Why can't we talk about this stuff? Why can't we be real with the American public? We cannot because it's scary. It's scary. A lot of people are scared right now. They don't know. They can't go out and get a job. They're in lockdown by their governors. Governors say don't leave your house, but yet they need money. They got to go out and work. Unemployment's coming to an end for them. And many people don't even get the unemployment benefits. There's tent cities going up everywhere. As I said yesterday, if they had an ETF on the homeless, I would be a buyer of that because it'd be going higher than the Bitcoin ETFs, right? It would just be screaming higher because people are becoming homeless. They can't afford to live in the way the world is set up right now. And something's going to break. It's going to break. It's going to break in 2021, I'm pretty sure. And it's going to be major. It's going to be major. If you don't think it's going to be major, if you think everything's fine, if you think we can just push this Dow up from 30,000 up to 60,000, which we probably can with the printing of money, but it's going to just crush people. People are going to be homeless everywhere. Everywhere people are going to be homeless, and it's sad. It's sad. They don't have money for food. The food bank lines are miles and miles long. I don't know. I don't have the answers, but I do know we're going to hit 2 new records. We're going to hit one in the Dow Jones, and we're going to hit one in Bitcoin. And a lot of people, I want to talk a little bit about Bitcoin and gold. Anyways, everybody's laughing at gold. Gold's going down. It's down to 1,800. And you know what? I love that. I love that. I really do. It's a great opportunity. But anyways, Bitcoin and gold people, they don't like each other much. They don't realize that they're on the same team. Those guys should be collaborating together because both of them are outside of the financial system. Both are a store of wealth. Both are getting your money out of the currency system because they're going to collapse the real money. So yeah, Bitcoin and gold. Now right here, you got Bitcoin at 20,000, you got gold at 1,800. I'm a gold guy at this price. Don't get me wrong, there's nothing wrong with owning both. Usually I have both. I love both. I rode that Bitcoin up and I did. I took my profits and probably took my profits early, but what a ride it was. What a ride. So that's all good, but you can have them together. They're both on the same team. Bitcoin and gold, they're both on the same team. Now, I know a lot of people laugh. They go, well, gold's just dropping down to 1,800. Well, yeah, it's about $200 below its all-time high, and it's going to bust through its all-time high also and go much higher, but it's going to take time. They're kind of playing a little manipulation with gold. Also, manipulation with silver. They want to crush it. Actually, I think they're afraid that people are going to start to use that as real money instead of these fiat dollars. Gold and Bitcoin are, they want to get out of the fiat dollars. And that's why they're both booming. That's why they're both hitting, well, they're both up high. Even, gold even at 1,800 is a very high price relative to the history of gold. It's only $200 below its all-time high. Yes, it's pulled back here, but I think it's a gift. Anyways, I think Bitcoin is just on a tear, though. It's on a tear. And I do think it's going to hit 24, 26, 28, maybe even 30,000. It's got more room to run. It's going to new records. Don't worry. Gold's going to have its day. Its day's not right now. No, it's not. But it will have its day. So we got one more trading day tomorrow. Not much happens the day before Thanksgiving. We'll wait and see. Maybe we get the new record tomorrow, that 30,000. I think we will. I think we'll get right to it, too. I think we'll break through that 30,000 on the Dow. We'll see. Anyways, that's all I got for you today. Get out there, do some trading, and we'll talk again tomorrow. I'm Tall Mike.